Okay, the very last thing I want to look at is this one. Who remembers what this one was called? Not a revolution. So I want to look at angles in revolution. So we're going to write this down. Angles in a revolution add to 360. Okay? So, quiet. If I had a picture that looked like this, and I wanted to find this angle all the way around the outside that I'm going to call Q, how do you think I would find angle Q? Because I know in the full circle there has to be 360. I know this angle is 100, so what would the rest of the circle be? 260. So if I do 360 minus the 100, I get that Q was 260. So remember, we're going to do 3 pictures. That's the first one. My second one, I'm going to have a little bit of a strange looking thing. Okay, I've got these lines going all over the place. Now I'm going to tell you that this one here is 150. This one here is 160. And I'm trying to find this one here, which we'll call R. So I need to know what 150 plus 160 is. Who can tell me what 150 plus 160 is?
310.
310. So we've got to do a little bit of work. So it's 310.
Plus 50.
So all of that is 310. Oh, my picture's really bad. R has to make sure that the whole thing's 360. So R would equal 360 minus 310, which is 50 degrees. That's a really bad picture. That doesn't look like 50 at all. But pretend it is. We'll call it not to scale. Not to scale means Mrs. Andrews didn't do a very nice picture. Okay, so if I write not to scale, it means don't use your protractor. My pictures are really bad. So these are a bit trickier, aren't they? Let's try one more. Let's say I have something like this. So I've got that little picture there. What does that little corner tell me?
90.
That it's 90 degrees. I've got this one here, which is 110 degrees. And I'm looking for this missing one, which I'm going to call D. Okay? So what are the ones that I've got add up to? What's 90 plus 110? 200. Is everyone happy that 90 plus 110 is 200?
Yeah.
So to find this missing part is 360 minus 200, which is 160. So 360 minus 200 gives me 160. So they sometimes get a bit trickier because they can fit so many more angles around in the full circle. All right, Brendan, you want to end the video there? Because that's all the things we're learning today. You're going to write your